left behind. The light don't reach this part of me, and somehow that's where I feel free. No voices telling me what's right. No pressure in the dead of night. Just shadows breathing next to me, like they were always meant to be. I try to run, I try to hide, but peace was never in the light. I find comfort in the dark, when nothing tears me apart. Lost inside my own decay, but I wouldn't want it any other way. I don't fear the empty space, it's the only place I feel safe. If I fade and drift alone, at least I know I'm on my own. The world outside feels far away, like it was never meant to stay. I built a home inside the void where broken thoughts are overjoyed. No judgment here, no second chance, just silence in a slow dance. With every piece I left behind, I finally feel alive.